Hello everybody. In this presentation we are going to learn how to insert header and footer on our Word document. Header and footer are areas at the top and at the bottom of a page. The main difference between header and footer is that while the header is at the top of the page, the footer is at the bottom of the page. Both header and footer are set up to stay constant throughout the document. So let's see how to insert header on this document. So first you go to Insert. Then you look for header, footer, and page number. So you click on header and it gives you default headers. So you choose which one that appeals to you. So in this class, we are going to select this one. So once we have this, we have document title. So we are going to enter our document title or whatever we want, whatever name we want to put in here. So let's say we have JHS 2 screencast presentation to JHS2, so junior high school level 2 screencast presentation. Once we are done, you go back to the top and then close header and footer. This is what we get. What I want to establish here is that the header does not fall part of the document. It is not part of the document. So if you try to delete the entire document, you highlight the entire document, it does not affect the header. If you delete the document, it does not affect the header. So the header is at the top of the document. Now let's go and insert the footer and see where it will be. So we go back to Insert, then we go to the same place where we found header, footer, and page numbers. This time we select footer, and then it gives us a lot of default ones which we can select and modify if we want. So let's just say we are choosing this. Okay, let's go and choose the first one. Let's go and choose the first one. So we select this. This brings us to the bottom of the page. As you can see, this is the top of the page and this is the bottom of the page. So let's say at the bottom of the page we want to put in a name like AA1. So once we have, okay, let's say AA, let's just leave it as AAA. We don't have it, it doesn't have any meaning, but for learning purpose, let's leave it this way. So then you go back to the top and then you close header and footer. Then you now have your header, and then when you come down you have your footer. Now it says that both header and footer are set up to stay constant throughout the document. Throughout the document means that if you have 10 documents, you will see this same header and footer over there. Even though whatever you have on that document might look different or will be different, you will still have the header and footer on each of the documents. So let's check. For example, so this is the next document. You can see there is no writing, but there is the header. And let's see if we don't have the footer. And there is the footer. So if we cross and go back again, and go further, get another page. So this is the third page. So we have the header and we have the footer again. So if you check here, you see page 3 of 3. And on each of the pages, we have footer, header, footer, header, footer, and header. It is only on the first page that we have some writings on the Word document. So in this video, we have explained what header and footer is. I have also demonstrated the processes in inserting header and footer on our Word document. Thank you so much. I'll meet you again